Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Vika and you're with the Modern Creatures. Huawei Philippines has just launched this, the Huawei Watch Fit. This is the company's latest fitness-focused smartwatch that comes in an array of really cute colors. Ours in particular is the cantaloupe orange, and we'll be unboxing this one today and doing a quick first impressions of as well. But before all that, if you haven't yet, please do subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon so you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Okay, so with that out of the way, let's get on to the unboxing. Here it is, the Huawei Watch Fit with an animated fitness coach, long battery life, and a 1.64-inch AMOLED display. So it has 12 animated fitness courses, 96 workout modes, scientific workout guidance, full health monitoring, built-in GPS, and 5 ATM water resistance. So these are pretty good features for a fitness-focused smartwatch. I'm pretty excited to see the AMOLED display, and actually I'm really excited to see the big screen. So let's just peel the stickers open. So let's get on and rip that open. Okay, that's the sticker, and this one on the other side. Alright, and now we're going to pull it out. Okay, let's put it down, and yep, there it is. The Huawei Watch Fit in this really nice orange. Okay, so let's take it out. And there it is. It's so pretty. But let's put it aside first and get on with the rest of the contents of this box. So there are already markers on what we can expect to find. So these are the papers. Let's see. There it is. It's a quick start guide right there, and that's it. That's it. That's everything that's in there. And then here, I assume it's the charger. And here you go, a magnetic charger. I would say that is the magnetic charger. And do we have anything else inside the box? We have nothing else inside the box. So that's it. Okay, so now let's take it out of the packaging and really get a closer look at this watch. Okay, so we just take it out there. Okay. And let's take this one out as well. Let's just unbind this so we can see it in full. It's really pretty. I'm really loving this color, and so far I'm really loving the screen. There's the button right here. It's pretty thick, but it's not too bad. Okay, let's power it on. Hold long press here to power it on. And Huawei, let's take it out. So we have to pair it first. Download Huawei Health on your phone, then add this device, the Huawei Watch. Okay, so now it's telling us to pair the watch with the Huawei Health app, which I have on my phone already, and I already have my account set up. But if you haven't yet, you do have to make an account or link your account before you can pair the watch. There, I will click here and add smartwatch. Let's update the watch list. There we go, the Huawei Watch Fit personal trainer on your wrists. Let's click that. So, okay, let's pair that. Bluetooth messaging sync. So now we look for that. Huawei Watch Fit 8A1. So it's right here on top. Let's get that. So now it's pairing, and that was okay. We got the request pretty fast, and there we go. Pairing successful. That was fast. Auto. What's this? Okay, let's see, let's update that now. Hopefully it's pretty quick. We downloaded the update, now it's transferring the data from the phone to the watch. It's taking a little time. So we have to wait for that. And now it's connecting, as you can see here. And there's the default watch face. Okay. Alright, connected. Okay, so let's put this down first. Okay, so let's actually, you know what? I'm going to put it on to see how it actually looks on my wrist, so you guys can see it too. I appreciate that it's just a standard watch clasp and nothing fancy, but it is very comfortable. It's very light. There you go. It looks nice. It fits well considering the size of my wrist. I think I have an average size wrist, so it looks super nice. I really love the big screen. Oh, you can see instantly that my heart rate already displayed. So, and it didn't even take it didn't take long. I put on the watch and my heart rate is already there. See, I'm so excited. It's going up. So let's slide through some of the functions. Sliding to the right. Here we go. The heart rate monitors. Okay, slide again. There's my stress. So enables the automatic stress test in Huawei Health. So that's in the app. So we'll figure that out later, maybe you can see it in our full review. Swipe again. It's the weather and the temperature, 28. Okay, you have your music controls. And your day's activity will be logged into this. And you can see it, there's a visual representation, so that's nice. So let's take a look at watch faces, because that's always fun. So there we have a lot of watch faces already. A lot of pretty ones. Wow, okay. So let's just pick one. Okay, let's pick this one. Okay, that's nice. Okay, look at that. It's very classy. Okay, let's try swiping up. So here's where you get your notifications. And this is your... Okay, so this is to call your phone. Okay, we have this. The watch will sleep after 5 minutes, so I guess it's a sleep timer. This is your do not disturb. The watch will not vibrate for calls. Okay, so yeah. So let's not do that. And we have the alarm. Let's go back. Okay, so let's press this and this should bring up, yep, there. It brings up the menu. So we have your heart rate, your SpO2, this is your blood oxygen levels. So your activity records, we saw that a while ago. Sleep tracking, stress tracking, breathing exercises, music. Oh, you have a remote shutter, so for selfies, okay. Then notifications, weather, stopwatch, timer, alarm, flashlight, find phone, and your settings. That's a lot to offer. Oh, and if you go up here, there's workout status, workout records, and workout. So let's check out the workout. Huawei says that there are a lot. So the box says there are 96 workout modes. So we have courses, fitness courses, running courses, and then your workout mode. So outdoor run, outdoor walk, outdoor cycle, and there are a lot. Elliptical, rower, other, none. So you can add some more for those who want more specific modes. So strength training, spinning, so stepper, air walker. Okay, I'm not gonna go through all of these, you guys, but there's a lot. I mean, look at that. There's even plaza dancing, and then hula hooping, darts. You can track your darts activity. Okay, horse riding. There's so many. Okay, let's just go back. Let's go back. Let's check out. So keep the watch still. This is your SpO2 or your blood oxygen levels. So let's see how my blood oxygen level. The animation is really cute and the colors are very rich. So let's see. I have to keep still. Okay, I shouldn't move. There you go. It indicates how much oxygen is in your blood. So it tells you these levels and what they're good for. So if you want to know what SpO2 is, Huawei is here to help you out. You can see the timer. Okay, for the timer, there are already preset times, so you don't even have to set. But can you set? Yes, you can set. There is a custom. This is great for working out when you want to do a 5-minute exercise, 10-minute exercise, or a 3-minute break. That's nice. And it's easy because you don't have to type it in. Okay, so that's about it for the device, but let's take a closer look at what it really offers on paper. So that's about it for the Huawei Watch Fit. But to unlock the power of this device, you'd have to use it in tandem with the Huawei Health app. We'll get into that and more in our review coming soon. And that was our unboxing and first impressions of the Huawei Watch Fit. As I said earlier, we'll be doing a full review, so if you have any questions or you want to know something specific about this watch, leave it in the comment section below. As always, please do visit our website and our other social media channels for more news, features, and reviews. Once again, I'm Vika and you're with the Modern Creatures. Thanks for watching.